Hello friends. Let's learn the 50 basic living room vocabulary.
Sofa. Sofa. This is a sofa. This is a sofa. TV. TV. This is a TV. This is a TV. Lamp. Lamp. This is a lamp. This is a lamp. Rug. Rug. This is a rug. This is a rug. Curtains. Curtains. These are curtains. These are curtains. Coffee table. Coffee table. This is a coffee table. This is a coffee table. Remote control. Remote control. This is a remote control. This is a remote control. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. This is a bookshelf. This is a bookshelf. Clock. Clock. This is a clock. This is a clock. Armchair. Armchair. This is an armchair. This is an armchair. Painting. Painting. This is a painting. This is a painting. Cushion. Cushion. This is a cushion. This is a cushion. Magazine. Magazine. This is a magazine. This is a magazine. Plant. Plant. This is a plant. This is a plant. Speaker. Speaker. This is a speaker. This is a speaker. Fan. Fan. This is a fan. This is a fan. Light switch. Light switch. This is a light switch. This is a light switch. Wall. Wall. This is a wall. This is a wall. Window. Window. This is a window. This is a window. Shelf. Shelf. This is a shelf. This is a shelf. Table lamp. Table lamp. This is a table lamp. This is a table lamp. Floor lamp. Floor lamp. This is a floor lamp. This is a floor lamp. Painting frame. Painting frame. This is a painting frame. This is a painting frame. Blinds. Blinds. These are blinds. These are blinds.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to Kiddos Not.
Coaster. Coaster. This is a coaster. This is a coaster. Door. Door. This is a door. This is a door. Ceiling. Ceiling. This is a ceiling. This is a ceiling. Footstool. Footstool. This is a footstool. This is a footstool. Beanbag. Beanbag. This is a beanbag. This is a beanbag. Fireplace. Fireplace. This is a fireplace. This is a fireplace. Windowsill. Windowsill. This is a windowsill. This is a windowsill. Picture frame. Picture frame. This is a picture frame. This is a picture frame. Vase. Vase. This is a vase. This is a vase. Phone. Phone. This is a phone. This is a phone. Wall art. Wall art. This is wall art. This is wall art. Candle. Candle. This is a candle. This is a candle. Table runner. Table runner. This is a table runner. This is a table runner. Decorations. Decorations. These are decorations. These are decorations. Painting brush. Painting brush. This is a painting brush. This is a painting brush. Chandelier. Chandelier. This is a chandelier. This is a chandelier. Calendar. Calendar. This is a calendar. This is a calendar. Thanks for watching Kiddos Knowledge World. Please subscribe for more useful content.